It's been an interesting morning where we've been bringing you non-stop coverage of cops versus the farmers and unprecedented scenes seen in Haryana, where today is the Delhi or Dilli Chalo Andolan, a protest march that has been called in by farmers of 5 states to march all the way to the capital in protest of the farm laws. But look what happened earlier. Let's try and bring out the visuals for you, which talk about the confrontation that took place on that bridge, which is the borderline between Haryana and Punjab. While the Punjab, the Congress-led government there allowed easy passage of farmers over there. As they entered the Haryana border, the farmers faced resistance. This is what was happening on that bridge, the Shambhu border, which is one of the crucial links between Punjab and Haryana. Earlier in the morning, that entire bridge was seen occupied by the Haryana police, but within 2 hours, the angry farm protesters managed to push their way in and have now, just around half an hour back, managed to push their way completely inside Haryana. They're on their way to the capital. In fact, it's not just farmers from Punjab, but farmers from at least 4 more states who are marching into the capital from various directions. While Haryana police says they are in no mood to let them through, in Delhi, the sentiment from and what we are hearing from the Delhi police is pretty much the same. Now, these visuals actually tell you a story of a fierce confrontation that took place right at that border, the Shambhu border, which is one of the key links between Punjab and Haryana. There were water cannons. Angry protesters weren't deterred by that, did not even give in to the tear gas shelling. They, in fact, lifted the barricades and pushed them into the river underneath. They pushed it across the bridge completely under the bridge over there. We saw that confrontation go on for at least about 2 hours, and at the end of it, farmers had their way. They entered the border and are inside Haryana. But they won't have an easy way all the way through. We are told heavy police deployment is already in place, and police is found in riot control gear in various points that are leading to the national capital. Let's bring you that map now to tell you what exactly is the way forward and what it's looking like. Like we said, the confrontation so far has been seen on the Punjab to Haryana border, but there are farmers who are coming in from other parts of the states as well, from Rajasthan and from Uttar Pradesh also, we are told, at this point. So you see there, farmers will be making their way to Delhi today. Today is Constitution Day. That was the day decided by the farmers of these 5 states to protest here in the national capital against the farm laws. And this is what happened once they tried to enter the BJP-ruled Haryana. What happens next will be a story to watch out for. Let's bring you political reactions now. What is it that Arvind Kejriwal has been saying about it? Well, earlier Arvind Kejriwal said in midst of a pandemic he shall not allow protests and it should not take place. But after the water cannons happened and he saw the protest, he changed his stance a little, and this is what his tweet read. All 3 farm bills of the government are anti-farmers. Instead of withdrawing these bills, farmers are being prevented from protesting peacefully. Water cannons are being used on them. This is crime against farmers and is absolutely wrong. Peaceful protest is the constitutional right. Captain Amrinder Singh went a step further, said for nearly 2 months farmers have been protesting peacefully in Punjab without any problem. Why is Haryana government provoking them to resort to force? Don't the farmers have the right to pass peacefully through a public highway? He tagged in the Haryana Chief Minister. Priyanka Gandhi joined in writing in favor of the farmers. In a tweet, she said instead of listening to the voices of the farmers in protest against the law which snatched the support prize from them, the BJP government attacked them with cold water. Everything is being taken away from the farmers, and the banks, loan waivers, airports, railway stations are being distributed to the capitalists. All right. Right, we are trying to get you live pictures from the Haryana border over there. My colleague Ghazali has been bringing us up to speed with all the action that is taking place at the Punjab-Haryana border. These pictures on your screen right now are actually exactly about half an hour ago, where the farmers had just broken through the barricades and they managed to walk through. They're now at the toll gate, beg your pardon, as they made their way. And earlier, these were the scenes facing water cannons, facing tear gas shelling, even stone pelting at some times. Farmers in the country are angry, and water cannons and tear gas shellings by the Haryana police could not stop them from entering the border. And they are determined at the moment to make their way to the national capital, where we are told galvanization will take place of farmers coming in from across the 5 states to protest on Constitutional Day, saying that these farm bills are black laws that need to be taken back immediately.